Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang di channel Rizky 155R Motovlog. Hari ini kita kedatangan sebuah paket, yaitu KYT TT Course yang kemarin itu saya beli di Shopee harga 800.000. Bagaimana penampakannya dari KYT TT Course 800.000? Mari kita unboxing bersama-sama. Sebelum itu, ya, di depan saya ini adalah paket KYT TT Course dari Jambi. Mungkin ini harga 800 karena di sini ada ketulis up karangannya klaim haul dari Jambi. Sekarang mari kita unboxing dulu.
Let's go. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower.
Ini saya kurang tahu ya, barangnya ori atau bukan, tapi dengan harga segitu menurut saya, kalau emang benar-benar worth it, itu sangat keren sekali.
Off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Dengan sarungnya juga masih ada helm KYT TT Course, backdrop. Ini sudah ada klip. Ini juga sudah slot intercom kayaknya. Jadi ini penampakannya. Menurut kalian dengan harga 800.000 apa enggak? Silahkan komen.
You willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
Mungkin sekian dulu video dari Rizky Motovlog. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe untuk tidak ketinggalan channel-channel dari kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I